this one.
Woo!
It's like it's gonna fall on you. Come on, send them all out. Let's get this night over.
I don't know. I was gonna say normally they goes for like another.
Light them all right now.
Mommy, is it over?
Nope.
Oh. No, Olivia, there's the grandpa now. There's 100 Bibles.
Maybe that is it.
It's gonna happen.